Now he's a funded trader. What do you do with the income coming from this funded account? Good day, everyone. I'm here with Frank Ononobo. He's a student of 10x Digital Lane, and he's currently a funded trader from Cosmate Prop Firm. If you guys don't know me, my name is Anthony Phillips Njoko. I'm a certified professional trader with 12 years of experience, and I'm currently the founder of 10x Digital Lane, where Frank is currently studying. So today I would like to introduce you to Frank and then ask some personal questions that is going to encourage you watching this as a trader. So Frank, tell us more about you.
My name is Frank Ononobo. Before I got into this forex trading, what brought about forex trading to me was one of my classmates from secondary school posted something like that on his status about forex trading, crypto trading. I started researching about it. I went into many different hands, even falling into scam many different times, tried different things before I now moved into forex trading and I met you. And I started, and I didn't research for the course. Yes, that's how I got started in forex trading.
Fantastic. So now we'll be diving into the questions. 5 questions sent to me by our community members. Number 1 question is, what trading strategy do you use, Frank?
The trading strategy I use is called WMO market maker strategy, which involves finding the cause of MSB. MSB is a market structure break, return to origin, H4 validation point. That's for H4 validation point for a day trader. Then for a swing trader, you're now moving towards weekly validation points, daily validation points. Then the rest, if you want to know the rest, you have to register for the course on 10x Digital Lane. Then you get more explained, because I cannot do those explanation on this video. Yes.
Okay, fantastic. Number 2 question is, what is your risk to reward management approach?
My risk to reward management approach is 1%. That's what I thought, 1%. But I was actually breaking the rule, which I didn't discover till I had to put my money and got the challenge register for one of the challenges on Consummate Trader, which I got that advice from a professional trader who is a mentor too on his YouTube channel. That students should not rely more, as it should not be on their demo accounts for too long. They should fund a real account and get the real feeling of the market. Yes. Then and when I got into the prop firm account, I got the prop firm, and I had to ask myself what was actually wrong, because the trial given by the 10x Digital Lane company, I was not actually getting it, because I was seeing other students that came after me, they will pass the challenge. Yes, but I was not getting it. And I discovered that if I have 3 trades to place or 4 trades to place in a day, I'll use that same 1% into 3 or 4. So I end up risking 4% a day without me actually discovering that till then when I got the Cosmate Trader account challenge, the prop firm gives 6% daily drawdown, which I decided on my own to risk 2%. Then if I place the 2% on a running trade, and I still have another trade to place that day, then that means I have to split the 2% of the next day either into 4 or into 3, then use one part for that same day. So I end up in a day using risking 3%. So even if that first day ends up in loss, I still have the next day to bounce back. Then in the aspect of risk to reward in stop loss and take profit, I'll most of the time risk 20 pips to get 60 pips take profit, because we are taught to now in the trading was to risk 1% to make 3% or 5%. To risk 1:3 or 1:5. That is 20 pips to aim or 60 pips take profit, or 20 pips to aim 80 pips take profit. Yes.
Interesting and fantastic approach for his risk to reward. The third question is, how do you handle emotions while trading?
In the aspect of emotions, every human has emotions. Your emotions must play out. No matter how kind of person you are, your emotion must actually play out. So how I was able to tackle even before I found out the way of solving emotions was, before I found out the way, what I usually do is, if a trade is running, it might be running in loss, which might after turn into profit. Due to that emotions that is actually playing out, due to the emotion that is actually playing out, I'll go and close up the trade. Then later, when I come back to the chart later in the day, I will see that that trade was supposed to go in profit. I was like, Then later on, I now had to imply what we were being taught, because it takes the difference between being taught something and actually applying it and actually understanding it. You understand? Yes. So I now have to apply what we're being taught. Yes, that is it.
So what were you taught?
In the aspect of
handling emotions. You told us your previous experience, but you never told us how you handle emotions.
Okay. In the aspect of handling emotions, how I handled my emotions when I got into the Prof M challenge was setting and forget. That's what we were being taught. Yes, we're taught to set and forget. So what I usually do, I find something I was doing. Then when I set the trade, move into my next activity, I just have a hard day. Then be coming back in the next 4 hours or 6 hours time, and that trade is supposed to be running by then. Maybe it's supposed to have reached your take profit by then. Or if it's according to loss, I know it's loss for that day. I come back the next day.
Fantastic. I hope you got that. If you like and appreciate this content, smash the like button, subscribe. So number 4 is, what is your trading record? My
trading record, I usually use a journal to write down. I use it for entering into the trade, the outcome of that trade. So I usually mainly writing down. That was what I was actually doing. Yes.
Okay, so he says he keeps a trading journal where he writes down his trades, whether they're on profit or loss. But I want to give every trader watching this an advice. If you want to have a high client investor coming for you, or if you want to become a funded trader, you can connect your account to my FX book. And on my FX book, they can keep track of your percentage return on a weekly base, on a monthly base, on a yearly base, and the total withdrawals you have done. So you'll be able to know that yes, you have been profitable in this particular period. You know what you did in that particular period, and you have not been profitable in this particular period. Do you understand? So the last on the list is, how do you stay informed about market development?
In the aspect of staying informed in market development, surely you need to be informed. How I usually do it, you don't need to sit down. I don't usually sit down and listen to the news. So there's a website which he has mentioned. One, my FX book. Second is my Forex Life. The two sites have technical analysis on them, the view of the market by other professional traders, both sentimentals. Then they also have that economic calendar on both sides. So that's how I usually get to know what's my view for the market that day. Then also analyzing the chart, that is the aspect of technicals. Then for the fundamentals is go to those sites I mentioned now, my Facebook, my Forex Life, to know the economic calendar for the day, both technical, sentimental, rest.
Okay, fantastic. So these are all the questions from the community. I have a personal question as a mentor, and like you already know, my passion is leadership and financial freedom. What makes me happy is seeing a transformation in his life when he becomes less bored about money and live the life that he loves. So my question for him is that now he's a funded trader. What do you do with the income coming from this funded account?
In the aspect of what I do with, I want to do with the money from the income coming from the trading forex, I have a passion of going to invest into it because it gives you opportunities, investing in different businesses, even many different businesses of your choice. Because me actually I have high expectation for myself. So yes, that is it.
Okay, so you guys should be expecting a business idea very soon from Frank. I know that he's a very, very innovative individual, and I believe that he's going to use these investments and this income wisely. Thank you for staying to this end. Smash the like button, comment below, subscribe. I'll be dropping the link to our new book so you can click on the link below and go and get the new book very, very soon. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.
I also have something else to add for beginners. And me, I'm not been long in the market. But one of the things I've noticed, there are 3 things in forex trading. No matter whatever, the main thing is to be profitable and consistent. Then the three main things involved in this in aspect of forex trading is the risk management, discipline, and psychology. The psychology is that as the aspect of emotions. Then discipline involved, you must not trade every day. The market gives you opportunity every day, so you can come back the next day. If you're not in the right state of mind, come back the next day. And risk management, always set this is the amount I want to risk. That is it for a day. You have to set how much percentage of the account you want to risk for that day. And that is it.
You have it from our profitable and funded trader Frank Odonobo. Have a wonderful day.